Hello guys, welcome to Jangle Forex tutorials. Our strategy will focus on the three candlestick trick. To begin with, open your MT4 charts. Go to the daily time frame. The main goal of this strategy is to give you a daily directional bias. It should help you decide whether you should be looking for a sell or a buy throughout the day. Alright, that's it. Let's get into business. And I hope I don't get flagged by the big boys for revealing their secret. The market, for most of the time, will move in groups of three candles. That is, either three bullish candles continuously or three bearish candles continuously on a row. Note, this doesn't happen always, but it does happen oftenly enough that gives the advantage to be taken into a highly profitable strategy. Watch the following pointers I will be illustrating on the D1 chart. It's also a very effective strategy on lower time frames, but I'll advise you stick to D1 or H4 to be the least. Just follow as I scroll back the chart history to really show you this strategy over and over again, how effective it's been over the years. Same thing, different times, different years, different days, months, hours, minutes, and seconds. So, let's scroll back and check at the price history, see if this pattern still repeats itself. How do you identify if the next two candles will be bullish or bearish after identifying the first candle on the row? Watch me. Principle number one. Once you open your daily candle chart, first thing, check the previous day candle. One, is it bullish or is it bearish? Two, if it's bullish, is it the second candle on a row or the third candle on a row? Or is it the first candle on the row? So the principle is simple. Once you open your D1 chart, if the previous day candle was bullish, there is a high probability that the current day's candle will also be bullish. But there are exceptions, and we will greatly elaborate on these exceptions in the next video. But avoid buying around resistance or supply zones, and avoid selling around support or demand zones. See, even if the next candle on a row breaks the change, let's say if the first candle is bullish and the second candle becomes also bullish, the third candle might break the chain. It would not always necessarily be bullish. You will not always get three straight bullish candles or three straight bearish candles, but there is a great probability that you have at least two bearish candles on a row or at least three bullish candles on a row. Just watch your chart. You have them happening over and over. Just check your charts. It's a very profitable strategy. Watch and scroll back as we move on. Look, check what we have. You can look here. You see uh 1 2 3, the same things happening over and over again. Oh, just find time, develop the patience, and go through your charts. Work out this is your assignment. There is no assignment greater than the assignment that gives you the knowledge you will require for your success. Do this and find time. Watch all the areas marked on the screen. Look at the chart. There's at least 3 consecutive candlesticks that have been uh, bearish candles that have moved in a row. 3 bearish candles straight. 1 2 3. Just continue looking throughout the charts. You'll find same patterns, same consecutive movements. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and even up to 5. Sometimes you can find up to 9, 8, 9 candles consecutively. Go through your charts. Keep scrolling and marking the points. Mark every point. Count them. Scroll along. Watch and practice. Practice this over and over again. Before you place a sell or a buy trade on the lower time frame, go to the D1 time frame and look at the bias. Are you on the third candle of the 3 consecutive candle period, or are you on the second? Always make sure you follow the trend of the D1. If you already have 2 consecutive candles of the previous day, you should be looking for either buying or selling based on those previous day candles. So if you are buying on the 15-minute time frame, make sure you are buying based on the trend on the higher time frame. So if you are an intraday trader, you want to follow and stick with the trend of the daily time frame, and mostly follow on the previous day, because these things happen over and over and over again and again. All right guys, thanks for watching while we prepare for part 2 of this video.